Hello creative people, so I happen to compare this drone, that is F11. Okay, so I happen to compare this drone from its price with the DJI, the Mavic DJI mini series, the mini 2, the mini SE, the mini 2 SE, the mini that stuff. So I try to compare. Okay, so I try to compare the prices to see, okay, the value. Okay, I try to look at Google and happen to see the differences. Okay, to happen to see the differences, and I'm going to be showing you the differences because I was trying to compare the prices. So now, for those of you who do not know how the Mini 2, the DJI Mini 2 looks like, so we have this example. This is how the Mini 2 looks like. Okay, the DJI Mini 2. This is how it looks like. Okay, now we are going to. It is the same way the DJI Mini looks like, but the difference is within the quality of the image and that stuff. Okay, so we are going to go ahead and try to discuss. So from our previous video where we happened to discuss a lot of stuff, okay, we already looked at that and shared it. So from the image of the F11 that I showed you, okay, I went ahead and tried to research what is that drone and what are the possible what are its properties. Okay, good, let me explain it clearly. Okay, so the drone in the image is the SJRC F11, also called F11 Pro or variants depending on the model. Okay, it is made by a company called SJRC, not DJI. It is a budget drone from China, mainly sold online shops. Okay, then here are its main properties and specs. Okay, when it comes to the camera, it is 1080p. Okay, older, that is the older F11, or it is 2.7K stroke 4K. On a newer F1 Pro, okay, F1 Pro models, but mostly fake 4K, not true DJI quality. Okay, so you should also get that in mind, because usually sometimes you may buy a camera and get disappointed. So photo resolution around 8 megapixels to 13 megapixels depending on the version. Okay, if you see the photo making 8 megapixels to 13 megapixels, it means that the video is less. Then when it comes to the gimbal, it is 2-axis stabilization and a full 3-axis like that of the DJI. Then when it comes to the range of flight, that is about 600 to 1200 watt, 1200 met. Okay, that is with meters. Okay, so when it comes to the transmission, Wi-Fi, okay, FPV, okay, live view to your phone, not super reliable. Okay, so it is not super reliable. So when we continue, flight time, it is between 25 to 28 minutes per battery descent. Okay, GPS, yes, it has GPS, return to home. Okay, then waypoints. Okay, obstacle avoidance, it has no obstacle avoidance, so meaning it has no sensors on it. Then wind resistance, moderate, it is heavier than the DJI Mini. It can handle some wind. So when it comes to weight, it is about, that is 520 to in between to 580 grams. It needs registration in many countries. Okay, it needs registration in many countries. So summary, it is good for beginners who want a cheaper GPS drone. Okay, video and photo quality is okay, but nowhere near DJI drones. Connection can lag in crowded areas because it uses basic Wi-Fi FPV. No real 3-axis gimbal, so footage will not be as battery smooth. Footage will not be as battered smooth like DJI mini drones. So you have to keep that also in mind. The price showed, okay, on the drone around that is honestly too high for an SJRC F11 unless it is the latest F11S, okay, 4K Pro version. You can usually find the F11 drones online around 200 to 300. So if you have around $400 budget, so you're not advised to get this drone. So you shouldn't look up to this drone. You should look up to a drone that is okay. So if you have around 400 budget, I would still recommend getting a DJI Mini 2E, okay, or even I used DJI Mini 2 instead. Way better quality, longer range, more reliable footage. Okay, so if you want more of comparison with maybe footage and stuff, so I would also show you some footage, but with that I think we are at least good to go, okay, because lately up I went ahead before those who watched a video before this one, I went ahead an extra mile of like comparing, okay, comparing the prices, comparing the model and the quality, because with the Mini 2 it was produced in the late 2020s. It gives a 4K at 30 frames per second. The picture quality can be raw. It is 12 megapixels and it uses OQ synchronization, that is a 2.0, very good. It can shoot videos at 4K, raw photos and best camera in this group, okay, so meaning that the DJI Mini 2 is better than it, okay, so consider buying the DJI Mini 2 as the best, okay, so continue saving a little bit, then you buy it, okay, to avoid like buying something and then after a shorter period of time you look at improving it or buying something that is better or greater than what you have decided to do, what you have decided to buy. So please endeavor to see that you subscribe and you do not miss out on any of my videos that I happen to be putting out. So thank you for watching, thank you for subscribing. I'm going to be introducing a platform that is going to be helping creatives, musicians copyright their music and earn from it. Besides copywriting, it is going to be used for streaming for musicians, and another platform that is actually going to be listing our businesses. So if you're a drone driver, if you're a videographer, if you have anything that you're selling, wait for that platform. I will be announcing it. So subscribe and be among the first people to join at offers. Okay, I promise you. My first people who have subscribed to my channel, who are part of this wonderful channel, please stay focused, stay as we've planned, and be part of the channel. Thank you for watching and endeavor to hit that subscribe button. Thank you.